What's going on, everybody? Angry Sarge. I'm here to pretty much get this vest carrier set up. This is something that I wear for work. We could be potentially changing, hopefully in the future, to something that's more molly, and I can put my gear up on my vest versus wearing a lot of it on my belt. So that's the hope. I think we will, because I was approved for it. So due to my injury, my hip injury, that will definitely help out a lot. But I just wanted to put this together. I got a cool product that I'm gonna put on here. It's from Body Armor Vent. It goes on the inside. I can show you real quick. Goes right here to keep me cool, vented, and all that stuff. So that'll be a good product. It's going to be a long video. I'm going to try to speed it up and just kind of talk through where I need to talk through and just, go on from there. But this is the blower carrier, which is all of our uniforms are blower. So I've got my name covered up. I've got my badge covered up because I want to protect, my identity due to work and stuff like that. So, yeah, this thing isn't cheap. I got my point blank body armor. I'll be putting inside of this when I'm done. Just kind of show you what that looks like too. We'll get it all set up, and then at the end, I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll just go from there. So we'll come back in a minute. All right, everybody, we're back. This is the Body Armor Vent B24 custom fit kit. I got 2 sheets. One for the front, one for the back, but this is another thing that they offer, which is the refresh spray. So if you need to spray your body armor, make it smell better, because it does get stinky, especially in the summer and all that stuff, especially with the moisture wicking properties and soaking up all that. You definitely need something like this to, I guess, get that smell away. So let's open this thing up so we can take a look at it. It's from Body Armor Vent. You can find this at their website. We'll open it up and let you see what it looks like, and then I've got to do all the cutting and fitting and all that fancy stuff. So, all right. So it comes with this sheet, which can be custom cut to fit your carrier. They also, just in case you didn't know, they make ice retrofit kits, which will fit your plate carriers and stuff like that. So just something else you can think about if that's something you're in the market for. So right here we have the panel, and then we have the Velcro. Okay. This will definitely help getting this set up, and the fact that it's removable and all that stuff is definitely a good thing. So there's very specific instructions on this. Make sure you follow them, because you don't want to mess it up, because you got to measure this out, cut it pretty consistently and evenly, so that way it works. But I mean, it's cool. It's got it's like a puff of air, it seems like, and holes to vent it and all that stuff, so it kind of pushes it off your body and all that. So pretty cool. I like this company. They're good friends of mine, so I definitely wanted to do them a solid and make this video. So if you are in the market, or you're military LE, and even security, anybody that wears a vest, I would recommend you get something like this to keep you cooler. Okay. If you want to know more about it, I'll post something along the lines going along with this video, so that way you can actually see what it looks like, and then you can check out their website, watch the videos and all that. So anyhow, right here, here's your instructions. Like I said, it comes with hook and loop. It is sticky on one side, so you can attach it to your carrier and Velcro on and off. It's perfect. It's a great setup. So on that, I've got some drawing and measuring and all that stuff to do, and I'll get it set up and we'll come back. All right, we're back. I need to put this armor in here, so I'm gonna put the armor in first. That way it makes my life a little easier while I'm trying to attach this, do all that fun stuff. So let's see what we got. There we go. All right, let's put this bad boy in here. Okay, so this was specifically cut for my carrier, or my plates, soft plates. So I'll loop it through here. Put the little straps out here. There we go. There's one. There's two. And we'll try to speed this process up for you. So we're just gonna run through it as fast as we can. Okay, so I got my armor in here, got my straps sticking out. Now, the next thing I need to do is I need to measure this and cut it. So I can do that by setting this down here. And I still want to be on this. I don't want to be too low. So if you can see that, it's right here. And I know the lights are kind of messed up, so I may fix those and come right back. All right, so my thoughts are now is I'm gonna take this and just measure off the actual original carrier. That way I can just fit it on here and do what needs to get done. So that way it's the perfect cut and we're good to go. So that's the smart way of doing it. That's how I'm gonna do it. All right. Okay, everybody, we're back. And I'm gonna show you what I use to get this done, okay? So you can see there's some markings here. I used the silver Sharpie, and that actually worked pretty good. And then a pair of scissors, cut it out. So this is the final product. And it just works out well right there. Boom. And if I need to cut it to trim it down and all that stuff because that's too long, that's fine as well. But I would rather overcut it and then just trim it down as I need it versus not, if that makes sense. So that's pretty much what I did. And there is some overlap right here, I believe. Let's see. Let me get that set. No, not really. It is a little bit longer, so I want to have this just a little bit shorter. I'll mark it again and then go from there. But that's it. Just mark it. If you got to measure it, that's fine. I'm not about that. I've got a Sharpie. I've got a pair of scissors. Works just fine. But if you want to look too, these are just little foam, which is pretty cool. Like I said, keeps it away from your body and it works out just perfectly that way. So, all right, when I come back, we'll get it mounted. All right, everybody, I'm back. I cut both pieces. We got them set up. We're ready to go. Now, what's next on the directions? All right, so you cut your hook and loop tape, right? Get it all squared away, but make sure that it runs with the way that these vent lines are, is from what I'm seeing. There's also a video here on their website showing you how to do it. I've been kind of back and forth referencing it and all that stuff. So I just wanted to get everything kind of where it made sense, and then we'll go on to continue building this thing out and doing it piece by piece. And hope that helps you guys, and hope you're still with me watching this. All right, everybody, we're back. We're finally done. We mounted it. We got the front, the rear, everything's put together. Now the only thing left to do is for me to attach my straps onto here, so that way I can close it and we should be good to go. But that's pretty much it. Got it attached. It's Velcroed, as you can see. I've got it running along the channels, so that way it's attached properly. So this will give me some standoff, help keep me cool. Sorry, I'm like jumping ahead of myself, but it's been a very long day of recording and stuff, so I want to make sure that I got it done and got it done correctly. But this is not a simple process, but it's a very rewarding one, because now I've got it cut just the way I'm gonna want it and all that stuff. So hopefully this is not an issue either, but shouldn't be. But for doing it by hand, eyeballing it, definitely not bad. So on that, thank you guys for hanging out. We got this done. We got my carrier ready to go. So I'll pull the tag off and I'll start wearing this bad boy and let you know how it goes. So on that, thank you guys for hanging out, sticking with me, going through this whole process. I know I didn't show everything, but some of this, you can imagine what it took to go through, especially cutting and getting it sized up and all that stuff. So, all right, I'll see you on the next one.